Hi, this is Shauna. Welcome back. This is going to be my New Year's Day video. I'm actually filming this on New Year's Eve afternoon, I'll call it. I got a bit of unboxing to do here. Most of these were actually stuff I bought just before Christmas, and some of it was, it was basically Black Friday deals. Because of course in Newfoundland here, some stuff takes a while to get here, and few Boxing Day deals and a few things I picked up in store. So let's dig in. First product I ordered from the Indeed Lab. This is my lifeline. Love this, a Nano Blur. As I said, it's from Indeed Laboratories. This is actually, it's called an Instant Skin Perfector, and it is. It's a balm. It comes in a tube like this. I ordered 3 because they were half price. So I think total I got 3 of these for like $25. It was definitely under 30. So you squeeze a little bit onto your fingers, rub in, and you pat in areas where it is oilier, so more so your T-zone, and it sets your makeup for all day. And yes, I do go in with a setting spray on top of that. This is amazing on clients. I got hooked in it. Actually, a friend of mine from the film industry showed me a little trick with it, and I started doing it, and then I noticed it when I was on set a few times back in the fall. They were still using it, so it's definitely a go-to product for sure. But you used to get it in Shoppers. Can't find it there anymore, even though I do see that brand there, so have a look out for it. Okay, next I'm going to dig into, this is a few things I bought in store in Sephora. So this is the Marc Jacobs Snake Charmers High Shine Lip Lacquer Set. Love this product. Comes with Sugar, which is one of my favorites. Have it on my lips now. It also comes with Skin Deep, Raspberry, Burnt, Boys Don't Cry, and Ching Ching Changes. So nice colors. The only 2 I'm questionable about are maybe those. Just because the pink is nice, I would definitely wear it, but not sure with the High Shine. Usually with pinks, I usually go a little bit more matte or demi-matte, so we'll see, and if not, I'll keep some for giveaway. So that was, I got it for $34, last 20% with the sale on sale, so I actually picked that up in store because I noticed it was gone online. So always visit in store to see if you can. The other one is the Cult Classic from Peter Thomas Ross. The one that is missing is my go-to. It's a Max Sheer All Day Moisturizer with SPF 30. Love it. It's oil-free. Don't clog pores. Of course, got SPF. That retails alone, I believe, for $47. This kit was $47. Then it was marked down to $38. So I got it for that. And also in it, as you can see, is the Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel, the Cucumber Detox Eye Patches, full size of the Cucumber Gel Mask, and the Peeling Gel. The Firm Peeling Gel was a deluxe sample, so this was amazing. I've tried this one out of it, and I've tried a sample before of the Cucumber Mask. So I'm looking forward to this, and anything I don't use, of course, you know, will go in a giveaway. So let's dig on in so this video is not too long. Some other Sephora stuff. This is the Clinique Lippy Kit. So this has a lip mask in it, which is a 7ml one. And the full size is a 10ml, which retails for $22. And this is a full size, the Pep Start, and it's their balm. So it's like a Barbie pink, but it's really nice, definitely suit me. And that lip mask is to die for. This went on sale actually for $13, so amazing deal. So I scooped that up. Even though I work for the company, I was like, I need that in my life. And then I redeemed some points and got the Solid Pro deluxe size, which I think is pretty good. Cleaning my brushes. Now this was a little Sephora order I did just before Christmas, just because I needed my instant brow lift from Clinique, and this is Soft Blonde, of course. This is my staple. Then I finally became a VIP Rouge again, which I don't know if it was a good or bad thing, so I got the brush, and I redeemed some points for the Clinique Moisture Surge Facial Spray. This is amazing. I have it in full size. It's almost gone, so I said, why not? 100 points, get that. And the 3 samples was the Origin Nights Mini. I used that before. I really enjoyed that. And then we got a cleansing oil, and this one is Pump Up the Volume. So just a few little packet at things. So let's move along here. Tarte order. Love Tarte. I just placed a Tarte Boxing Day order. They had really good deals. So with this one, yeah, this was the Black Friday deal, but of course Tarte is coming from the US, so it does take a little bit longer. So they had their mascaras on for 12 bucks Canadian each. This is my mom's favorite, so I got her 2. That's the Tarte Lash Paint. Really good brush, is very flexible, so I highly recommend that one. And for myself, I picked up, get rid of that big box, the Tarte palette. So this is the Z palettes like I have in the other ones. I got the leopard print and the Kiss and Makeup one. So look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And that was on, I believe, for probably $16 or something. So that's all it is. It's a full-size mirror, and you put your teapot, everything, put the magnetic backers on her. I find the Tarte ones are really good construction. They're definitely my favorite. I like them over the Z palette brand, to be honest. So I just actually ordered myself another one with the Boxing Day sale, because I believe they were same price, 16, but then you got an, oops, that's really loud, sorry. But then you got an extra 25% on that, so I couldn't say no to that. They are the best. Highly recommend that. This was my last but not least order. This one took forever. This was a Black Friday one from e.l.f. And I had to pay duties, so I wasn't very pleased with that because everything was half price, which, you know, e.l.f. stuff is not very expensive anyway. So I ordered 50 bucks and ended up coming to 25 with the 50% off, which meant free shipping. So that's why I ordered a few extra things. Then I got dinged with $15 custom. So to be honest, I won't be ordering from e.l.f. in a long time. I'll just pick this up in stores. But this is the Aqua Beauty Mist Primer in clear. I've used this before. It's really good. I enjoy it on my face. It's oil free and I find it works. So I picked that up again. I can't remember prices of everything because, you know what I mean, it's e.l.f. That was probably like, I don't know, 7 or 8 bucks and I got a 50 off. So do the math. This is the All Over Color Stick in Pink Lemonade. So it's actually like a blush stick, and I thought would be fun to try. So a lot of these are just products I'm going to just try out. This one I already got out. This is their oil-free SPF 15 foundation. I got this one from my mom in color tan, previously buff, and she says it's really good. She's been using like a Clinique one her whole life, and she says that's pretty comparable, and the color's spot on. So thumbs up on that. This is another e.l.f. one. This is a tinted lip oil in Petal Pink Kiss. So again, you know, I probably end up paying $1 for this or something, but I do enjoy lip oil, especially when I'm in Sephora's and Shoppers, because I find the air exchangers really dry and that, so that keeps my lips moist. So try them out. Then a few different, how many of those? 2 different color correctors. So this is green to correct red, and this one is the color correcting stick, and this one is the flawless color correcting pen. So I try that because we have a lot of pink undertones here in Newfoundland and rosacea, so that's always good when I'm doing makeup. And another, this is the Lip Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam. I got that. I said it kind of reminded me of Sugar, except it got sparkles in it. So see if that one would be nice. So plumping will kind of be more similar to the Buxom ones. Then I need a brow comb, which is out of the package and I'm currently using. Then I got another lip brush. Can't go wrong. The e.l.f. ones are pretty good. I like that they come to a point, so really good for getting into the corners and making your peaks on your lips. And this is a brow product. I got it for light for myself, and it's actually a sharpening one. I can see it comes with a sharpener, which is nice. So I'd try it because I do struggle with finding something I can buy local for my eyebrows, because I find a lot of the taupe colors are more like orangey in that. And we got the shimmer palette. So this is creamy and lightweight shimmer, instant illuminates the eyes, lip, and face. So it's, I don't even know if I opened this one yet. It looked really cute online, and the colors look nice. Sorry, I can't get it open there. Yeah, everything's sealed. But I thought that would be nice because I do like putting on sometimes a cream highlighter first, then going on top with a powder highlighter. So I thought those colors would be very flattering for lighter skin tone. And then another all over cover stick. I picked Ivory, a light one. And I believe like these were probably $1 or $2. So it's like, you can't go wrong for that. And there was one more thing I had in here, was one of their mask brushes, which is amazing. I ordered that for one for my girlfriend, so I already have that sent off in the mail to her. So I hope you enjoyed my little haul. There will be more hauls coming the week, and I'll get back on track, hopefully doing 2 videos a week at least, maybe 3. I think a good goal is definitely 2. So happy New Year's to everybody, and stay tuned. There will be another giveaway in the mix. I'm just kind of organizing my products now and seeing what I got to give away. Bye. Have a great day. Thanks.